Okay, folks, I come to near Tommy. Here, like paradise. You can see palm trees and wonderful pools. Sunny day. I am so happy for this. I want to show you around little, and you can see what kind of place here. Now is time nearly 11:30 o'clock. 30 minutes later, some snacks will begin around the pool. You can eat everything. We missed the breakfast. Breakfast beginning in the 8 o'clock, continue until 10:30 o'clock. So
many large pools.
Many large pools.
It is enough
Large.
for so many people. There are space for seats.
Many bridges also I see from background.
Not so crowded. Check it
So
out.
interesting.
This design is made of small stones. You see, it looks like a carpet, but actually, if you show it closer, you'll see that it is stones, different colors, and looks pretty nice. I like the garden here. Many trees and many kind of plants here. Some tropicals and some epidemic to Turkey.
So different trees. Oh, this view wonderful, Tommy. Look at that. I am like in jungle, Amazon jungle.
Look those palm trees
Oh,
and banana plants.
banana?
Yeah, I think this white leaves plant is banana.
Banana. Oh,
It's
interesting.
banana trees, yeah.
So hotel, also background. You can see.
There is a big gym inside. There are many gauges you can use, and this hotel also very friendly staff. There are many cafes inside. The best thing is about this hotel, sea, beach. Beach is sandy. Most of beaches in Antalya is rocky, many stones inside, you can't swim easily, so this place has a sandy beach. Also, the sea is very shallow. You can go, but still not so deep. So you can just swim easily, very good.
Okay, Tommy, I want to show little more about the pools, and we can walk to maybe beach. Okay, Tommy, let's show the pools better detail, and people can understand how is big the pools. Banana plant, right?
I think so. It looks like banana.
So guys, let's go to the pool and see you on that. So if you have some child, you can see in here very good pool for childs. So nice swimming pool. Okay folks, I want to show my room to you, and you can get some idea about the room design and quality. Firstly, this is my digital card. This is usually like any other hotels. Just put this card after inside room, right place, and you will get the electric. You can see this is for energy safety. When enter the room, you will see in the left side some clothes area. You can take out your clothes to here, Also you will see some safety case. You can put some wallet, passport, some things, worthy things to inside. On the right side you will see some high size mirror. This is me. And if you have baby, you can get some baby bed like this. Also, this is my bed, 2-person size, really relaxed. I have tested yesterday. Especially pillow is so soft and relaxed. And this is another mirror and table. If you want to work, you can work in here. This is LCD television, and downside has some mini bar. You will see inside cola, Fanta, some beer, good quality beer, FS. When you use it daily, they are put another new one, and everything is free in the mini bar. And best part for me, outside. Yes, I can see the pool, sun and sea. If you pay nearly $50 or $60 extra, you can get this wonderful view. So this is air condition, not split style, and you can manage the air condition from this box. You can see many buttons in here, and air condition enough. Some hotels really bad air condition, sometimes very hot and not enough for this, but I have tested this air condition enough. Also bathroom 24 hours hot water. You will see some towels on there. Daily they are washed and put again. Also some hair dryer. I must say hair dryer not so strong. If you have a long hair, I recommend take some hair dryer. And toothpaste they are not provide, also teeth brush, but has the some for your ear cleaning or something safe. Everything so good in the room. Normal quality, not so luxury, not so bad. Middle point I can say. So just this. We want to show you about the Aqua Park with my brother Tommy.
Okay, let's see how Alex slides from Aqua Park.
I think it will be so funny. I am amphibians for sky and diving. Let's see.
Do you want to say something?
Here or here? Is it GoPro?
GoPro. Right.
Perfect. Wow.
Do you come every year?
No, it's first time.
First time.
First time here. And
You like it?
wonderful. Wonderful place.
Nice.
The food is super.
Good.
Food is super. I love Turkish food. And this one, everywhere. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Perfect. Everything is green. Wonderful place. Find you ahead. Perfect. Yeah.
Dal şöyle senin altına.
Little scary. Not so easy looking. Oh, not easy. Do you want to try? Okay guys, I have tested Aqua Park. It really seems amazing, but I little scary about the red one. Red one is jump to you so much. This reason lifeguard warning you on the top side. White and red one also dangerous. You must keep your heat with your arms. But yellow and blue one is safety. Actually for childs just safety is blue one, because it's not include any jump things. This reason most safety is blue one. Okay Tommy, what do you think about the aqua park?
Actually, there is another one, little aqua park for kids.
Ah, for kids.
Yes.
Yes, I didn't see
is
this.
for adults, but I have to say that if you don't obey with the rules, you may fall off the slide, because
Oh,
the red one and the yellow one little scaring.
yes, absolutely. I have tested. Red one is so much scary. If you come here, Sunis Hotel Aqua Park, if you don't like the action, don't try the red one.
Don't forget to put your arms back of your head, because if you don't do so, you may just fall off the slide.
Okay, we shared our experience with Aqua Park. See you in the fitness.